In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Canva design using custom dimensions. If you've ever needed a graphic that fits a very specific size, maybe a website banner, a social media post, or a print handout, this quick walkthrough will help you set it up with complete control over width, height, and units. Start on the main Canva dashboard. Look toward the top left corner and click the Create button. This opens your design options. From here, choose Custom Size. This is the spot where you'll tell Canva exactly how big your canvas should be before you start designing. You'll see fields for width and height, along with a drop-down for units. Pick your unit first to keep things clear. Use pixels for anything that will live on screens, like social media posts, banners, or thumbnails. If you're preparing something for print, inches, millimeters, or centimeters are often more helpful, especially if you've been given exact physical measurements. Choosing the right unit up front helps you avoid confusion later. Now, type your values into the width and height fields. Remember that width is the horizontal measurement and height is the vertical one. If you want a landscape layout, make the width larger than the height. For a portrait layout, do the opposite. If you change the unit after typing your numbers, double-check your values, since the numbers will now be interpreted in the new unit you selected. It's a good habit to confirm you're working in the format you intended. A couple of helpful reference points. A square social post often uses 1080 by 1080 pixels, while a full HD screen graphic is commonly 1920 by 1080 pixels. For print, you might see something like 8.5 by 11 inches for a standard letter page. These are just examples to help you visualize. Use the exact dimensions you need. Once your width, height, and unit look right, click Create New Design. Canva will open a fresh canvas at the exact size you specified. You'll notice the dimensions listed at the top of the editor, which is a handy way to confirm you got it right. From here, you can add text, images, and elements knowing your layout is already sized perfectly for its final destination. That's all there is to it. By starting with a custom size, you skip awkward cropping or resizing later, and keep your design crisp and consistent. If you're following along, pause the video, plug in your dimensions, and create your new design now. Then you'll be ready to build your content with confidence.